I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. The Lord is my shepherd. I shut up. What? Stop there. Stop there. Why are you people gallivanting the land? You know, west. No, I don't know if you are white or blue or green. I don't know.
Are you okay?
Yes, of course I'm okay.
Sure.
I say I'm okay.
Oh, so far no more, Brother. Do you have to say this?
A cheap pasta? You take over a cheap? Prostitute money you are giving. Father. What are you doing? Huh? You again? Huh? Do you know him?
I don't know him.
Huh? My friend, why do you have to be a 30? Hey, what's the problem? Huh?
Do you know the amount of money I spent on her?
So that gave you the right to be 30?
Hey! You want me to do something to you, right?
Young man,
you want me to do something to you?
What would you do? I say what? Indeed, the kingdom of God has suffered violence, and the violent one are taking it by force. What are you looking at?
I'm going to give you Brazilian, Cuban, chocolate. No, chocolate. See, I'm going to give you everything that you want. As I said, you're the first time. Calm down. You don't have any problem. Love is so smart. What do you think you are doing? Hey, what's wrong with you? As a young man, what do you think you are doing?
This day is the day that the Lord has made. Doesn't mean that you should come and be dropping a lady.
Are you crazy?
What do you mean by that?
Are you mad?
Me, a pastor. The lady?
Baby, do you know him?
Look, you people are delaying Jesus from coming. What? Yes. Hey. I said, what is the meaning of that?
Wait, go back. Look, I can see that you don't have manners. And I'll teach you how to respect people. Yes.
Master, please. Since morning, I've been preaching the gospel. Anybody that passes slapping me. Master, I'm even angry, crowd.
Get up. Baby, don't mind him, right?
I'm here. My Range Rover.
Your what?
Range Rover.
Take over.
Kingdom of God suffer violence, and the violent one will take it by force.
Chocolate.